Alright, we're at 24 Greenway Plaza. Here are the Otis escalators, and I got bad news. This is going to be a final ride because next month these escalators are going to be replaced. So we're going to take one last final ride on this original Otis from 1981. There's people on there, so I'm going to have to point them away. I'm going to try to avoid people on camera. It's after hours, so it's going to get pretty busy. These are the elevators. Go down. Look at this beautiful lobby. You can see a little bit into the Houston area. There's the security to the right who doesn't want to be filmed, so I'm not going to point the camera at him. Alright, here we are. So with that being said, say goodbye to these wonderful vintage Otis escalators from 1981. With that being said, that is going to be it, and thanks for watching. Bye now.